Thank you so much for coming out, everyone. Yesterday, the family and the closest friends of Sarah all came together to lay Sarah's remains to rest and fill the hole in our hearts with love. But we cannot make ourselves whole after this. Because Sarah is gone, we could not see her one last time. Such is the nature of bicycle crashes. I'm not calling it an accident. It was a crash. And crashes rob their families of so much more than just the individual that you know. The impact of this crash, this death, not just on me, but on so many others, is so hard to take in right now. I do not know how I will continue working as a professional and as a single dad. But our ability to march on does not provide an excuse. It does not make things right. It does not make what happened here okay. That will not help my boys, who will grow up without the hugs of their mom. Mother's Day for us will be another small funeral. Sarah and I have shouldered some of the most difficult assignments in the U.S. Foreign Service. Working for the United States. We've worked in Haiti, we've worked in Uganda, we've worked in West Africa and Cote d'Ivoire, we've worked in Iraq, and most recently we worked in Ukraine, where we had just returned not 1 month before. We were evacuated here in order to be safe. It is unconscionable to me that Sarah would have been safer braving airstrikes in Kyiv than on the streets of Bethesda. We have to ask ourselves if the culture in our country is allowing this to happen because we prize cars and commerce over citizen safety. How many people have been accountable or held accountable for these deaths? We have to ask ourselves what kind of society we want to have where there might be greater accountability for parking tickets than for hitting pedestrians with vehicles. We can and we must do better than this. We have to do this if we are going to realize our potential as a country. I'm not going to stop riding my bike. What I'll do instead is band together with you to create a peloton of change. Saving lives is going to be simple as riding a bike. I love the idea of riding a bike because you're getting there by your own power. You have to do it yourselves, and this is a movement that we have to do ourselves. Today we're going to put this ghost bike down, and when we do, let us think of Sarah, and let us think of our simple purpose to create a future where the streets are safe for everyone. Thank you, everybody.